Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM when it simply refuses to open or launch no matter how many times you click on it. So the process is extremely straightforward, and without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So the most common reason the FiveM won't launch is that first, the Rockstar launcher is actually running already silently in the background, but it's stuck. So we need to close these processes like that in order to do a fresh start. So here is what to do. First, I want you to open the Task Manager by just simply clicking on the taskbar, then Task Manager. Now over here in the Task Manager, just simply look for any type of task that is related to GTA V, FiveM, or Rockstar games. Like for example, if you see a Rockstar game like this over here, just simply click on it and End Task. And the same for GTA V, simply search for it. If you're unable to find it, just simply search for FiveM and see if any of those applications are running, let me see them run. Now you can just simply close the Task Manager. Now, if clearing the task doesn't work, the issue is likely a corrupted file in your local application data. So we need to reset the Rockstar Game Launcher folder to force it to re-verify your game. So don't worry, this won't delete your installation, just the temporary launcher data. So now over here, type %local app data %, and then click OK. Now this should open a folder with a lot of subfolders. Scroll down until you find a folder named Rockstar Games, so you simply open it, and inside this folder you should be able to see a folder called Launcher. Now this is the one that is causing the problem, so we are going to trick the system into creating a fresh version of this folder. So what you want to do is right-click on the Launcher folder and click on Rename. Now just simply change the name to something else, like, for example, launcher_old. So by renaming it, we force the computer to ignore the old broken file and create a brand new launcher folder the next time you try to open the game. Now go ahead and launch FiveM. It might take a few extra seconds to launch as it loads and recreates the folder, but it should open up perfectly. And that's it. You know now exactly how to fix the startup error and get FiveM launching correctly. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.